beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny if this is your first time here, and today we did this gorgeous summertime look. I was so excited to do this look because, as you guys know, summertime is here. So if you want to get this glowy look, this beautiful makeup look, please stay tuned for my video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I do upload every single week. And follow me on Instagram as well at Dystanydion _. So let's get into this slay. Hey beauties, so I am back. And right now you see me applying the Fenty Beauty bronzer, and this is in the shade Caramel Cutie. And you guys are not gonna believe that I totally thought I hit record when I did my foundation, but I did not. I don't know how this happened, but you're gonna see like the end, kind of towards the end. So I'm just going to clean up these cheekbones just to sculpt them out a little more. And this brush had some of that just a little setting powder on it. So yeah, I was so mad, you guys, that this did not even record the whole foundation look. So let's go on with this Juvia's Place. This is the Saharan Blush Volume 2. And I'm going in that shade right there. And I want to say that's the shade Yara. And I'm looking confused because, you guys, my camera has not been focusing at all. Like, I don't know why, but it just would not focus today. So let's just put this all over the cheeks just to give them a nice, you know, color. Because this was a summer video, and I'm going to have to show you guys in my next video what foundation I use. Because, like I said, I don't know how it wasn't recording, but yeah. But anyways, we're just going to keep it moving. Alright, so I'm going to go inside of this highlighter. It's a really pretty shade, you guys. It's kind of like an iridescent, and that's the shade Zara. And I'm just going to be putting this on the cheekbones. You guys can see it's giving it a nice glow, and I am loving it. I don't know what it is about summer, but I love to look bronzed even more than when I tan. As you guys can see, I did have a little tan going on as well. And yeah, that just gives me like everything I need right now. And I just like to use this brush. Alright, let's go in with this Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And you guys, I love this palette so much. And if you have this palette, you know it smells just like chocolate. So these are the shades, and they're so pretty. So now I'm going to use my Sigma E40 brush. Look at that, you guys. The camera will not focus today. But yeah, like I said, Sigma E40 brush. Oh well. So I'm going to be taking this shade right here. And I'm just going to start going over the crease with this shade. I'm trying to get my camera to focus, the little viewfinder. So we're going to put this all over the lid. And I'm going to pull you guys in closer so you can see. And now we're going to take that darker shade right there. I'll have all the shades in the description bar for you guys. And I love this shade. It's the perfect transition shade. And I'm just going to be doing a sweeping motion, going back and forth, just to start deepening this up. Okay. I was trying to make sure you guys can see everything. because I was looking at myself in my viewfinder and I'm just trying to make sure that it's recording correctly. All right, so I'm going to be taking some of this Fenty concealer, and I am in the shade 370, and I'm just going to put this all over my lids, and I'm going to blend this out. In this brush, you guys can use any kind of brush, but I just like to use this flathead brush, and it just works really well for blending the foundation or concealer out. Okay, now we're going to find our other brush and we're going to get to putting this color. Now this brush I did get from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be going right in the shade right here. And it's like a bronze shade. It's so pretty, and it has a little bit of shimmer if you guys can see that. It's like a copper color, and I just think it's perfect for the summer. And I'm just tapping this all over the lid. Now these shades are very pigmented, and we're going to put a little bit right in the tear ducts as well. And I'm just going to be dragging this all over the lid. Yes, I love this look, you guys. I love a good bronze look for the summer. It just sets it all off, just sets everything off for me. Okay, we're going to clean it up a little bit with some concealer. It's that same brush I used, you guys, for the Fenty concealer. Now I'm going to be taking this brush. It's like a tapered brush. It's like a oval tapered brush. I don't know what you guys call it, but I like to use it for my under eye area because it has like a nice shape just to go under the eye. All right, so we are going to get into some lashes. We're not wearing any falsies today, so I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Total Temptation. And you guys know I use this in like every video because I absolutely love it. It's just the perfect mascara. So I'm going to be putting this all over my eyes. I was going to do lashes, but then I decided I'll keep it simple. But I think lashes would have went well with this as well. And I like to just build up my mascara, so I'm going to go over it a couple times just to get that length and volume that I want. And same thing with the other eye. And this look was very easy to do. You guys can do this if you are going out, or if you're going on a date, or if you just want to make a store run, or if you want to just sit in the house and look cute. Like, this look is perfect for summer. And I'm just going under the under eye right now, just to give me some more definition on my lower lashes. All right, you guys, we're going to be going in with some brow gel. This is by Milani. This is a clear brow gel. And this stuff, it works so good, you guys. I picked it up at Walgreens. And one thing I love about it is that it sculpts them out. But over time, like, it actually makes them hard as well. So you don't have to worry about your brows going anywhere. Excuse me. All right, so we're going to go in with some setting spray now. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. setting spray. This is the Mist and Set. And like I said, you guys, I love this stuff. It works so good. It's very hydrating. And it's just the perfect setting spray for a very affordable price. I think I paid $6 at Target. So let's go back in with that same Juvia's Place blush palette. And we're going in that shade right there. It's like a pink shade. And we're just going to be putting this all over the cheeks just to highlight a little more. I don't know about you guys, but I am loving this look. It's so pretty for the summer. Okay, I'm just adjusting this camera. Now I'm going to be taking this NYX liner. And this one is in the shade, what is it? I want to say it's in the shade Mason. Yeah, it's in the shade Mason, even though it's not focusing. Yeah, I was having so many issues with focusing today. Yeah, it just will not focus. So I'm going to be putting this all over my lips. And this shade is really pretty. It's kind of like a mauve shade. It's really light, so I probably could have went with a deeper shade, but I do like it. It's just really light, but I mix it as well. So as you guys can see, it's giving like a little mauvey vibes. All right, so now we're going to be going in with some of this Kris Jenner. It's from Kylie Cosmetics. Come on, focus. Okay. And this one is in the shade Driving Me Crazy. And this is like a pink color. And it's a gloss. It's like a pink gloss. So I'm just going to be putting this all over my lips. And I'm just going to blot a little bit just to blend the colors all in. Now, usually when I wear this color, you guys, I have on a deeper lip pencil, but I could not find my brown one, so I had to use the Mason one. And I'm just going to zoom you guys out for the final look. And I'm going to be putting some shimmer, some highlighter all over myself because I love to look super glowy in the summer. All right, you guys, so this is it for the video. Thank you for watching. And yeah, I want to say that's it. Psych, I lied. I guess we're going to do some more bronzer for the last time. Oh, some blush. And then we're going to take some of that setting spray one last time, and then we're going to wrap up this video. All right, you guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and take care. I love you guys. Bye.